The hook for Carnage Assembly is outside! You bastards! 2 crit! 2 crit! Okay. Hold for narration. Hold for narration. A man rides swiftly toward Jastri's gates, periodically firing a hand crossbow into the treetops behind him. Those beats thunder as the horse is pushed to its limits. Just as the man reaches the gates, you see his neck jerk before he falls unconscious from his mount, which continues to sprint through the main thoroughfare of Jastri. This is the hook for Carnage Assembly. Tomlin, are you here? Rex, are you here?
Yeah.
Waylon, are you here?
No.
Fu. Tuska. Leon.
Somebody go wrangle the horse. Kill 3.
Did you get him? Huh?
I get who?
The one's following me.
Track. Can I see them?
Give me a 1 to 10.
8.
Nope.
5.
Nope. Nope.
I believe they're gone. Did he die again?
Yep.
Check pulse if he's dead.
The rider's middle-aged man, clothed in simple but quality apparel. The bag around his shoulder lies open next to him. There's a dart protruding from his neck, still.
Pulls dart out. Sure.
You take 8 talks.
Oh, drop. Heal. I'm gonna suck.
Effect arms on the dart?
Huh? Did I just get healed?
Yeah.
Is the dart gone?
Yeah. I pulled it out and you gave me 8 talks.
Expect wound on that?
1 through 10.
7.
Okay. He has been pierced by a dart in the neck. It is a clunia. It entered his bloodstream, whereby he promptly died. It is enough a clunia dust to kill a horse.
I'm glad the horse is
Very healed him.
Expect arms on the dart? Yeah.
Expect arms on the dart.
Who
Who said that?
Yeah.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay.
7.
We'll go 4. I don't have it. 1.
Okay. You all can see the dart is finely crafted and dearly bought. This is no amateur assassin.
I believe I know who these belong to.
I'll pick up the dart.
I need your help. My friend...
Immune.
Oh, also, I am fatigued and weakened. Ugh, I don't feel so good. Okay, I'm just weak. Oh, God, I feel so much better. Okay. my friend, they took my friend. She was coming home to visit, and she checked into her inn, and then nobody's seen her. She never made it out to my place. And I tried to ask around. I tried to look around. I was in over my head, and the guards just wouldn't listen to me. They said I hadn't been proof. She hadn't been gone long enough. But they're serious. They just fucking killed me.
Well, yeah, you were dead. I'm also dead.
Yeah, I see that.
It'll be fine. So so you're in Jast, right? Welcome.
I'm Jason, by the way.
Nice to meet you. Are you looking to hire people, or?
I guess I can. I was hoping. I'd heard that you guys were helpful and heroic, but yeah, sure, I'll pay you if you find my friend.
Do I recognize the dart as a part of the Carnage Assembly?
You do not.
I do not. Okay.
I'd like to roll insight to make sure that this person is telling the truth.
Okay.
Like they're not putting on airs.
You said
Okay.
roll.
Okay.
Fuck.
7. I want to play D&D, damn it.
He is very sincere. His friend is
cool.
definitely missing, and he is definitely worried about it.
Okay.
And he definitely just got shot.
I mean, I knew that part.
He definitely died for a moment.
Can I pocket this dart? I'm immune to talk.
I don't care.
No, I'm talking to you, the narrator.
Oh, what?
Can I pocket the dart?
Are you holding the dart right now?
Yes, I'm immune to talk.
Yeah. Sure. You're gonna have a great day, Foo. Okay.
I drink a lot.
Dwarf.
So we're with the.
So point us in the correct direction, and we'll take care of this happen.
Follow the tracks back.
Demanisi.
We can't track them. We tried.
The span was that way. Are you coming? Huh?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, saddle up.
Yeah,
Cool. Okay, you can head up and get with the rest of the group, Amanda.
I got a dart that hurt. I'm gonna throw it out.
God, that hurt.
Anyone got a packet? Dart?
Hey, you might wanna. What? Why are they after you?
I'm trying to find out what happened to my friend. I started asking questions, I guess, and maybe the right questions. I don't know. Just asking questions at all.
Asking questions will usually get you killed.
I
didn't see really any other way to get my friend back.
no, you are very brave. This friend of yours must be
Okay.
precious.
Lucky.
All right, hold for narration.
Hold.
Yes. Cool. Good to know.
Jesus, this is how I die.
All right. You cross the span into Upper Metzar. There was a fifth person, right?
He's grabbing his package real quick.
I'm gonna wait then. Okay.
I'm gonna borrow a packet. I got an 8-tock dart. We'll throw it at the epic. I'm just kidding.
It's a one shot. You can do that once.
Not if I pick it up again. I'm just kidding. I am
As
not
a narrator,
gonna use
I'm gonna let you do that once
I'm not
today.
gonna use it. I'm not going to use it.
I'll
I'm not
totally use
gonna
it on the epic.
Dink.
That's smart. I have no problem with you using it once.
3, 2, 1, lay on. Dink. The epic.
And it will probably be less than 8 tox at that point. Drop it down to 4. You got a 4 tox packet.
Okay, sure. A free 4-tock packet, thanks.
Cool. All right. Hold for narration.
Put it in my beard.
You cross the span into Upper Metzar and find yourself in a flat woodland near the main roads in Demanisi. I should have picked the city I could pronounce. It is late afternoon, and the golden light casts eerie shafts along your path. The quiet of the woods is broken by a gasp of shot from Tuska as their thigh is pierced by a plum-feathered dart. 8 tox. Oh, God.
I'm gonna pull the dart out.
Lay on, by the way. Okay.
I'm gonna pull the dart out.
Okay, you do so, and I'm not gonna let you do one of these.
No, like I'll,
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and then I'm gonna feel for. That's really hot.
See, track
Okay.
where it came from?
Okay. For the purposes of the scene, seek is a narrative action.
Ooh. Seek free.
Okay.
I'll also say, seek free. What a freak.
And you said you're doing what? Okay.
Seek free.
1 through 10?
9.
You find no footsteps, but you could tell the dart came from that direction.
That-
Vaguely.
Okay.
Okay.
Seek. It was what?
Seek.
I think party seek.
It's just what?
I think I got shot by the yellow jacket.
1 through 10, very hard.
I'll give you a number 9.
Okay.
I'll
Nope.
go with 5.
Nope. Alright.
Didn't see him?
Rex gets hit with 8 tox in the back of his thigh.
He has 25.
I will remove
I don't
that.
remember if I'm even talking now. Hold on.
Yeah, check that. Your bones, dude.
I know. I forgot my immunity.
God, they're gonna kill me again.
Okay.
Don't worry.
First phase.
Dwarves have very thick skin. I'll be okay.
You heal me?
I know there's a reason.
Yeah, oh yeah. I was waiting for you to tell me if you're immune. You're not.
No, no.
Are you not able to take a meme?
I'm gonna go
Or
ahead.
dodge or something?
Using item 1, using 2,
Okay.
3, hit 4.
Thank you.
Alright.
Feel free. Jesus Christ.
I haven't seen these guys the whole time. I've just seen the darts flying by.
Well, I know they came from this way.
Well, that one came from over here.
Would you mind doing the phase again? Rex didn't do it.
I was dead.
First phase.
Okay.
I don't care about that.
Alright.
Wait. The dart came from
Well,
the
it
other
came
direction.
from 2 directions.
Oh, it came from 2 directions?
Yeah.
My bad. I was still going
Let's split
off
up,
your
gang.
Okay. A dart flies through Waylon.
Fuck you.
It came from over there.
Fuck you.
Okay, you guys are free to use. Oh, okay.
Yo, they're tiny. They're not invisible.
See? Again?
Okay.
Because you already used it there.
Nope. You can use it several times.
Oh, you
Probably
seek
once
again.
per round. Okay. Let me see.
One
right.
per attack. Cool.
We're seeking right now. Okay. Who all seeking? Okay.
2. 7. Tough.
Okay. Foo. Are you ready, Sarah? Okay. Foo. You and you alone. See. Narration.
Ooh, I see the narration? The words. They scared me.
In the treetops,
Oh,
you
wait, we're being attacked by noose.
see a slender
owl.
figure wearing a white, blood-spattered cloak. With the force of his cloak, you see him shrink down so small you can barely see him as he sprints and leaps from bough to bough. That way.
Okay. Propel.
He's gonna kill me.
Propel?
Yeah, I'm gonna knock that
What the
person
fuck
out
are you
of the
doing?
tree.
Okay.
Fixing the tag because it was annoying.
You're going what?
I want to knock the person out of the tree, and I can't fly, so propel.
Okay. Right before you do that, Tomlin, are you still phased? A dart flies through Tomlin. Okay. He's one thing at a time.
Working on it.
Okay, so you're propelling.
Yeah, I want to get up to the tree, and now that I have eyes, knock it out of the tree.
Okay, 1 through 10.
I'll give you 3.
Okay. You successfully, mechanically, blink over there.
Cool.
Okay. Wait.
I blink underneath him.
Wait, give him a second. Okay. Just a sec. He's just getting over there right now.
Well, I'm not looking for him. I'm following Foo.
Okay. Hold for narration. You see Foo leap mightily into the treetops and drag down a slender figure wearing a white blood-splattered cloak. And because they're very tiny. Okay. The assassin is an epic monster. 3, 2, 1, lay on. Bring it back this way, Sarah.
Rachel, the tag was without me
Okay,
killing me.
gotcha.
Oh, he's refused.
Give 3 hits.
4 hits.
Bloody death way too small. Give 3 hits. Yep.
That's how I die.
The epic refreshes.
I'm you. 3 crit.
You do have blink. You should have blink or vanish. Beat it up.
What?
Don't you have blink or vanish? Pause. Hold.
Nope.
Really?
Really.
They did not listen when I said.
The magic of the sand selector.
Ah, son of a bitch. Okay. All right. Yep. Lay on.
Bloody got to wait till you all get 3 hits.
4 hits.
The epic refreshes.
Immune to regular hits?
Hold. Sarah, do you know how much damage you've actually taken? Because I can't hear them over there.
Yes.
Okay. Are you good still?
I'm still
Okay.
going.
Alright.
Oh, how much damage I'm taking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's done
Yeah,
6 so
last
far.
round there was 3, I think.
Okay.
This round there was a 3.
Okay. Lay on.
Every time Foo's hitting her with 3. And then sticking to her like right.
Okay. Lay on.
Okay.
The epic refreshes. I admire your hustle, Sarah. Hold for narration. In a last-ditch effort to escape, he throws sand into the face of his pursuers before sprinting and vanishing into the trees. Hmm? I mean, she still gets away. Mechanically.
I go down there.
Yep, go down there, breathe. Lay on. Oh man, I'm so glad you guys were here so they didn't even look at me. That was fantastic.
Yeah, that price for killing them is going up.
I mean,
need to recover? I'll take one.
I got one.
What would you guys do without me?
alright. I'm gonna go down there and prep my monsters after you guys have rested. Start walking that way, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Epics, let me see your cards real quick. I don't think I specified my stigma in the den, so you guys might be missing a crucial ability that you need. Oof, yeah, okay. Replace Rune with self blink 20.
Mm-hmm.
Replace. You got blink 20. Nope, other one. Replace Pierce Bleed with self blink 20. For your epic. For your epic. Just for the epics. And then replace your Bleed and Maim with blink 20.
Okay.
Alright. You guys remember what you're doing for the scene? You're this where you're the town people?
I'm supposed to take and try to drag the cabbage man out of town.
So we are role playing.
You're role playing to start. Okay.
They're trying to get...
And then if they linger for too long, I'll give you a sign to go off. So you're not in this group. You're just kind of lurking in the woods, and if we need you. Okay, you dropped a packet. Get you
Okay. So I just
All right.
need to sit somewhere to find the
That's
camera.
what I'm supposed to take it. Well, I'm supposed to take it.
Okay.
As a yarn.
Hold there.
Fair warning, if we go far enough that way, it starts to smell pretty rank.
Yeah.
You were the yarn seller.
Uh-huh.
You heard about the shipment of wine and whiskey being delivered to Terran Hall.
Okay.
Okay.
Fair warning, if we go far enough that way, it starts to smell pretty rank.
Okay, then let's the odds of combat here are low, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
Right here. Okay. All right. Any other questions? Everybody know what they're saying?
I just have to say, like, yeah, a few people here that were came by were just seeming a little bit more heavy in the coin than others.
Yeah, like there's been a lot of strangers. They're wealthy. These guys are probably cool. They look poor as shit. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You good, Sarah? You know what you're doing for the scene? Yep. Cool. All right. Mingle. All right. What the fuck?
Hello.
Hey. Thank you guys for the escort. I've been so worried about my safety. All right.
These guys are pretty mean.
Huh?
They're quite mean.
Fucking hurt. 8 talks in 1 hit. Fuck off.
You had to be able to hug people to death with those darts puncture them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright, so your party traverses through the woods till they enter the gates of the small city of Demanasi at dusk. Those who have been selling their wares at the gate are gathering their wares and congregating in front of the stables nearby, whispering with confusion and curiosity. The vegetable seller is busy packing her wagon for the evening.
We all walk in, all 5 of us with badass music playing in the background.
Yes. So let me whisper to you and then we'll lay on.
Oh shit.
Sure. It's your information. Do with what you will.
Okay. We're looking for Tylenol.
Fuck.
Terranol. Excuse me. We're looking for Terranol.
Okay. Lay on. Why are you guys going so slow? I mean, if you need a moment, like, that's fine,
No,
but I
we
really...
got it. It's fine. It's fine.
Don't ruin the magic.
You already fucked it up. Let's go.
Sorry.
Rachel, I want to follow up with like, why is the caravan, I want to talk to the person packing up hurriedly.
What?
I was going to talk to the person.
They're up there.
That's not who talked to me. There's a lady in my head.
I thought we were at the gate where people...
Yeah, sorry, no. I just said you guys talk far enough back, so you're getting to them.
Okay.
The lady packing up the cart is DJ.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, man. Terranol? Is that what we're looking for?
No.
Okay, got it. Hello, everyone.
Hello?
Customers, maybe.
What do you got?
Oh, we just have a lovely bunch of vegetables. You have eggplants, cabbages, lettuce. Some work.
I don't eat vegetables.
That's a shame. Maybe that's why the infection's not that for you.
No, more of a cause and effect. More of effect and cause. I'm dead, so I don't eat vegetables. I'm dead because I don't eat vegetables.
Well, what if we were to make something that's like a simulated that is vegetable, but tastes like, I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know.
Well, come in there. I'll get the one for free.
It should be a finish, but you're right, we are sketchy. Tell me, how long have you been in the area?
Oh, well, as I can remember, really. But, yeah, I see. You guys seem like, I guess they say cool, really. You guys have come around here.
Can I start doing insights on each of these people?
Sure.
I want to see if they're,
Okay, who do you want to start with?
I got no butt to
start
put
with
a stick on.
leader.
The what?
The vegetable lady.
Okay, 1 through 10.
6.
She seems to be just...
Seems
She seems legit.
Seems legit. That one?
Rex, technically, couldn't you use your ribcage
3.
I mean, seems a little dodgy, but,
Yeah.
I mean, it's a kid.
Oh, it's just a kid?
Yeah,
Cool.
it's a kid. Yeah.
That one?
Okay, she's selling yarn.
Oh, yarn seller? Okay.
Okay.
6.
That looks like yarn. And she looks like she knows what she's doing with it.
Okay,
sure.
so she's legit. Okay.
Yeah.
Kieran Hall is the location.
Tarrant Hall, yes.
Kieran Hall.
Tarrant Hall.
Kieran Hall. The
Okay.
location.
8.
Yeah, she seems, I don't remember what her job is off the top of my head, but yeah, she seems legit.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure that everybody's legit. If it looks like they're actually like craft, like good at their stuff, that's all I wanted.
Yeah.
But it's kind of like I'm driven to, and I try to fight it.
Okay, I'm glad I did not give you anything that had blood in it.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah. So bees are very good at simulating that. Yes, it almost looks like the real thing.
It did kind of look like blood. It made my lips
Foo.
look a little, if I had any lips.
She's a
Tell me,
stable
do you
keep,
know,
That one?
if it's relevant.
have you ever heard of someone called Terranol before?
Location.
Oh, excuse me. Have you ever heard of a place called Terranol before?
I
don't have a map of the area, so I can't put my finger on it.
You know, it's on the coastal side of the city.
Wait, one more time.
It's on the coastal side of the city.
I know it's
It's on the coastal side of the city. I remember that from the last time I had a shipment to go there. But that was a while back.
Which direction is that? I'm not from this shard, so
Well,
everything shifts, I know.
it's been a while since I've actually smelt the salt air, so it might be going that way, but there's some kind of a pungent odor coming from there, so I don't know if you'll be able to go by there by smell.
Do you have direction?
go over there to Yolanda, the yard salesman. She might know.
I believe my friend already has
to rent a horse.
Huh?
He would like to rent a horse.
Okay, it's 5 silver to rent a horse.
Is it cool if I hand her my debit card?
Yeah.
Cool.
I mean-
I don't have actual hard silver on me.
Okay.
But I definitely have the money.
Okay.
Got like 90 gold.
So you're renting one horse?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a horse, you have a horse. Cool.
Nice horsey.
I got a horse.
Nice horsey.
Okay, so you have 2 horses for a party of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
I am a horse. I mean, if anyone
For rent.
Tomlin, if you want a horse, I'll cover it.
I weigh how much does a human skeleton weigh about?
I can pay you back.
You could probably fit on a horse.
Another horse.
Could easily ride on a horse behind
Yeah,
somebody.
You have a horse.
absolutely. I
You could
have
probably
so
double
many
up on a horse.
horses.
You could probably double up on a horse.
Yeah.
You're missing all your innards and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, you carry the heavy weight of guilt and responsibility, but like that's it.
That weighs nothing.
Just kidding. Such a good horse.
That's all her problem now up there.
Interesting thought. You actually have
Oh,
rides.
it's plenty of
Yes, I do.
exercise. Right now they've had
Yeah,
the
I
apples
don't
and
have
oats
rides,
to get
so
ready.
I have to ride with somebody.
Okay.
You can
So have you guys figured anything out? Like, I've heard that there's some other people missing and lots of strangers, but that's it.
Yeah, do you guys know about it?
You know,
Are there any bounties? I'm a bounty hunter.
I don't know about bounties, but there's been these weird people.
Careful, she eats
They're
plants.
clearly rich, but pretending not to be.
Oh my.
Definitely up to no good.